Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Sofi app, a comprehensive financial management tool designed to help you track and manage your finances. To get started, first download and install the Sofi app on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Next, link your bank accounts and credit cards to the Sofi app. This will allow you to view all your accounts in one place and track your spending. You can link your accounts by selecting the Add Account option and following the prompts to enter your account credentials. Now, let's explore the main features of the Sofi app. The dashboard provides a summary of your financial situation, including your account balances, spending, and investments. You can also use the app to track your expenses, create a budget, and set financial goals. The Sofi app also offers investment products, including stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. You can use the app to buy and sell investments and track their performance over time. Additionally, the app provides access to Sofi's financial advisors, who can provide personalized advice and guidance. To get the most out of the Sofi app, it's essential to use it regularly and keep your account information up to date. Make sure to review your accounts and transactions regularly to ensure everything is accurate and secure. You can also use the app's budgeting and tracking features to identify areas where you can cut back on spending and optimize your finances. In conclusion, the Sofi app is a powerful tool for managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. By following these steps and using the app's features regularly, you can take control of your financial situation and make informed decisions about your money. Remember to always keep your account information secure and up to date. And don't hesitate to reach out to Sofi's support team if you have any questions or need assistance.